question, problem 2. Examine the scatter plot below. All right. So the lowest price airfares from Baltimore. Okay. Now we can just examine it. Again, we look at the y-axis. The y-axis we have listed airfare in dollars. We have a break in the graph. It starts at 80. So we're looking at prices that range from 80 to roughly 280. Okay. And along the x-axis, we have distance in miles. So we're seeing if there's a connection or a correlation between the cost in your ticket and the amount of miles you travel. So we're looking to see whether or not an increase in the miles you travel is tied to the amount of money you pay for a ticket. Now, intuitively, I guess you would say that would make sense, right? The further you have to travel, the more airline, the longer employees have to work, the more gas you'll consume. It will increase the cost of that ticket. So when we look at this, we can see we have a positive correlation. And I started part A. Part A, draw a line of best fit for the scatter plot. Examine why your line is appropriate for the data set. Okay. All right. And we want a line that's centered in the in that scatter plot. So when you look at all that data, you want the line that cuts directly through the center, not beneath it, right? So this would not be appropriate. In green, I'll draw a line that would not work. You don't want that, right? You wouldn't want that either, all right? You want the line that goes right through the heart of the data. All right, so draw a line of best fit for the scatter plot. Explain why it's appropriate. All right. The line I drew was, let's see, appropriate since it is centered in the data set.